Hola, welcome to the techtricky channel. Today I am going to show you how to play Battlefield 4 in an offline local area network. So, you can play Battlefield 4 multiplayer with friends completely on an offline LAN. You do not need any internet connection. So, let's move into the configuration process. You need two things to configure Battlefield 4 multiplayer. First thing is, you have to download Battlefield 4 Complete Edition with multiplayer files. Second thing is, you have to download Battlefield 4 multiplayer configuration files. Let's go to first step. From this site, you can download Complete Edition of BF4 game. This is the figure pack. Download BF4 from these links and download the multiplayer files from these links. I'll put the link in the description. You can download from it. After download it, extract all the files. There will be BF4 setup. Then install it. I already installed the game. After the installation, it will about 68 GB. Please comment in the comment section if there were any errors in the installation or downloading. The second step is configure BF4 to play multiplayer. So first download the configuration files. I'll put link in the description. After the download, extract it. The password is techtricky. Then we have to configure one PC as a server and other PCs as clients. First, we will see how to configure server computer. Please follow exact same steps as I say. If not, this will not work. Go to the extracted folder and there will be a folder named BF Portable. Then copy that into your BF4 game folder. It's okay any path inside BF4 folder. Please avoid spaces of path to this folder. My folder located in D, Games, Battlefield 4, TCK, BF Portable. If I put space there, this will not work. So please avoid spaces of the path. Sometimes some application of this folder will not work because of the virus guard. So please create an exception for this folder or disable the virus guard. I'll show you how to set up an exception from Avast antivirus. First, copy the folder path. Then open the virus guard. Then go to the settings, exceptions, and paste the copied path. You can also create an exception according to your antivirus. Then we'll start configuration process. First, go to the DirectX folder. There will be DirectX and redistributable packages. You don't need to install it manually. Just double click install.bat file and wait until the process finishes. Then connect PC into router or mobile hotspot. Internet is not needed, just only connect into a LAN network. Then you have to find your IPv4 address. To find that, open command prompt by typing cmd and type ipconfig. Then remember the IPv4 address of the interface that you are connected to the local area network. I am using Wi-Fi to connect to the mobile hotspot, so my IP is 192.168.43.18. Then run portablebf.exe file as admin. Please follow these exact steps. Ignore the error and press continue. You can play not only Battlefield 4 but also Battlefield 3 and Battlefield Bad Company 2 with this emulator. In here, we are only configuring Battlefield 4. Then, click Global Server Config. Type your IPv4 address at local IP address. And also tick LAN only button. Then, click Start Web Server. If this is your first time using this emulator, you have to initialize XAMPP. There will be open a small CMD window. So click that open window and press 1 and hit enter. Now XAMPP will be initialized. Then go to exam window and click Start buttons in front of Apache and MySQL. These Apache and MySQL names must be in green color to complete the configuration process. If not, the issue mostly on your ports. So try to free up the ports and rerun the web server. If the server is running correctly, then click Start Redirector button and press Save. Then go to Battlefield 4 Server tab and enter any name or keep it as it is. Then click Start BF4 MU. After this screen comes, click Start BF4 Server. If the server works, after several seconds, game state shows as in-game. Now the BF4 server is ready for Connect clients. If you want to do server configuration like changing maps and game settings, click on tab named Run Procon. Procon interface will be like this, then click Battlefield 4 connection. To change maps, go to List and go to Map List. There are different maps with different game modes. You can select them and add into the right side table. If you want to run map on the server, double click on it. If you want to change the game settings, go to Server Settings tab and you can change it from there. So, the server settings are done. Let's see how clients connect to play the game. You can also use server computer as a client computer while running the server. To play the game, open up the web browser. Chrome is the recommended web browser because sometimes redirector will not work with Firefox. Then you have to type IP address of the server computer and create an account with username and password. This name will show in the game as the player name. Use the credentials to log into the server. You have to download client files to run the game. To do that, click Downloads and download the Battlefield 4 client files. Then it will be downloaded as a zip file. If this download button does not work, you can get client files from configuration folder. At the folder, there will be folder named as client files. And inside of that folder, there will be folder name BF4. Copy all files from downloaded zip or from this folder. Then open the folder that installed the BF4 complete multiplayer game and paste these files there. If asked, replace the files. Now the client PC is ready to launch the game. If this client files code from the virus guard, please disable it or make an exception. To launch the game, go to the open web browser page and click multiplayer. Then it will show running map and click on it. It will ask to open BF4 launcher, so click open BF4 launcher. Then the game will be started. If the game won't start, please disable the antivirus and redo the same process. Please follow exact same steps. I'll also upload a video about configuring Battlefield 3 multiplayer. If you faced issues during the process, please comment it. If you still not subscribed our techtricky channel, please subscribe it. See you on next video.